Welcome back, beautiful people of YouTube. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nola Vaughn, and today I'm going to show you how to upload your footage from Adobe Premiere onto YouTube. But before we go any further, I'm going to need you guys to like and subscribe. Help your girl out. And you know, as usual, let's get into it. Okay, so let's export. We'll select export, where we will be given a range of options, but we're going to rename our file because the media file tab is open on our left in case we change our mind and just want to export. Next, we'll open up the YouTube tab and sign in. It's going to give you some prompts and it's going to take you back here. Here you can do, name your sequence, put a description, make sure it's private or not. You can even add your own thumbnail. And you can even delete your file after, it's uploaded to YouTube. You're like, you know what? I don't even want to waste no space. You have the option to delete afterwards, okay? And then, nope. You thought we were about to export, but there is some things we need to check. Okay, so on the left side, we need to close off the media file because it's letting us see two different files. The computer thinks it's a YouTube file and a regular MP4. That's not cool. So we need to make sure that all those things are clicked off. YouTube is clicked on and signed into, and now we export. So here we see that it's exporting out. And if we want to check, we can go to our documents, downloads, or wherever we saved the file to and see that it's there. In the Mac case, you can see an icon next to it when it's ready. So once it's finished exporting out, you can literally go to your YouTube profile, go to your content, and see that your file is pending in the queue for YouTube. And it's really that simple, okay? This is how you upload your file to YouTube. Simple as pie. I hope that this helped. Please like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Thank you for viewing my video. Goodbye.